Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me a question, a pretty good question. How you get the interactive fill tool to be exactly in the center? Well, I don't really see a problem, but if I have, let me unsnap objects and see if it changes. So we're going to take an ellipse. I'm not working in the center of the page. I'm going to make it green, take away the outline. Then I'm going to get the interactive fill tool. I'm just going to put it anywhere, but then I'm going to go up here to elliptical. Now it's not in the center, but if you kind of move it around, to me, it kind of snaps. See, it doesn't snap to the center. So let's go to snap to object. And now let's get the interactive fill tool. Come on. And I believe it'll snap to the center. I don't know if you can see that, but it actually just snaps to the center. Now, if you move this one, it'll be a perfect circle. Don't move this one because it gets you elongated one. So let's back up here to where it was a circle. And if you look, that's exactly in the center. And it's a weird deal, but it just snaps to it. And then you could do anything you want to with it after you've got it in position. And if you put in rings, they'll be perfectly in line with the center of the object, no matter if it's a square. Let's just do a square, just to double check. Let's make it that color. Take away the outline, which doesn't really matter. Get the interactive fill tool, swipe it anywhere across, but then go up here to elliptical, and it actually popped to the center. Then if you look, those, well, maybe not in the center. There it is. It snapped to it. And then you can relieve this, and it is exactly in the center. Let's go back to it. And let's add a dark blue in the center so you can kind of see that that is in the center. And then just like in the square, you could do anything you want to with it. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.